Hello and welcome everyone to another Tunisian crochet tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a wavy pattern using Tunisian simple, Tunisian double and Tunisian treble stitches. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First we need to start with our foundation row. This pattern is worked over 10 plus 3 stitches and it's 2-row repeat. So for the demonstration purposes, I'm going to chain 10 and 3. It's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, the first row, the foundation row, is our standard foundation row. So we'll be working into the back bumps of chain stitches. We'll insert the hook, yarn over and pull up a loop. And we will do this for each chain all the way to the end. Like so. Now we've got one more to do, and now we are going to be working a standard return pass. Standard return pass is worked as chain 1, and then we will be yarning over and pulling through 2 loops all the way, which brings us back to the beginning of our row. We will be using standard return pass for all rows of our project. Okay, we are almost at the end. Okay, now we need to work 2 Tunisian simple stitches into the first 2 stitches. So we insert the hook from right to left, yarn over and pull up a loop. This is first Tunisian simple stitch, and we will do another one. Okay, and now we're going to be following with 2 Tunisian double stitches. So Tunisian double stitch is worked as yarn over. You'll insert the hook from right to left, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then we yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And this creates a Tunisian double stitch. Now we need to work one more of these. So yarn over, insert the hook, pull through a loop, yarn over and pull through 2. Now we are going to be working 3 Tunisian treble stitches. So in Tunisian treble stitches, we need to yarn over twice when we start the stitch, the beginning. We insert the hook from right to left, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That's your Tunisian treble stitch. Okay, so we'll repeat this 2 more times. Pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That's the second, and then we need to do one more of these. Through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, we are going to follow with 2 Tunisian double stitches. Insert the hook, pull, oh sorry, we only need to yarn over once for double stitches. Okay, that's first Tunisian double stitch, and we need to make one more, yarn over, insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and now we are going to be working one Tunisian simple stitch, Tunisian simple stitch, and this creates our pattern repeat. So again, for this pattern, you will need to work 10 plus 3 repeat, and the stitches up to this point create the pattern repeat, which is 2 Tunisian simple stitches, 2 Tunisian double stitches, 3 Tunisian treble stitches, then 2 Tunisian double and 1 Tunisian simple. So these create the basic pattern repeat. If you would like to make a multiple of these, you need to make sure that you repeat this set of stitches. And now to finish off, we need to work another Tunisian simple stitch and the end stitch. So we know that the end stitch is worked under the both sides of the last stitch, the both bars, yarn over and pull up a loop. Okay, and now we're going to be working standard return pass of chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2 all the way which brings us to the beginning of our row. Okay, so we go back to the beginning of the row. We can already see a little wave forming. So now we are going to be working row 2. Row 2 starts with chain 2. We need to increase the height of the row, because what we are going to be doing is we are going to be working Tunisian treble stitches that are quite tall. So usually in Tunisian crochet you wouldn't start your row with chains. However, in this case this is an exception when we need to raise the height of the row, so we need to work chain 2. And now we are going to be working 2 Tunisian treble stitches. So we yarn over twice, insert the hook into the front vertical bar, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So that's the first one. We need to make one more. Now we are going to be working 2 Tunisian double stitches. So we yarn over only once, worked into the front vertical bar of the next stitch, yarn over and pull through 2. We need another one of these. So we yarn over, insert the hook, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2. Now we need to work 3 Tunisian simple stitches. That's 1, 2 and 3. We continue with 2 Tunisian double stitches, yarn over, pull through 2. So that's the first. We need to make one more of these. Okay, and now we need to work 1 Tunisian treble stitch, continue with 1 Tunisian treble stitch, and I'm going to pause here again. So these stitches that we've done from the beginning again create the basic repeat. So if you would like to have a wider project, for example, you would like to work 30 plus 3 stitches, this stitch set that we just concluded creates the repeat. So again, just for clarity, the repeat is working 2 Tunisian treble stitches, 2 Tunisian double stitches, 3 Tunisian simple stitches, 2 Tunisian double stitches and 1 Tunisian treble. So this is the basic repeat for the second row of the wavy pattern. And now to finish off the row we need to work 2 more Tunisian treble stitches. So we need to work 1 into the front vertical bar, the stitch below. And now we are going to be working the last one into the 2 bars of the last stitch. Normally in Tunisian crochet you would work the last stitch into the left and right bars, which are here on the side. However, in this case this is an exception, and we will be working under these two front bars, and this will make sure that the edge of the project is straight and it has got the correct height as well. So again, we need to wrap the yarn around the hook twice. We will be working under the two bars. Yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two. Okay, and now we are going to be continuing with standard return pass, which is a chain one, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two, all the way to the end, which will bring us to the beginning of our project. Okay, that's it. We are right back to the beginning of our project. So again, just to repeat, this is how you create a wavy pattern in using Tunisian simple, Tunisian double and Tunisian treble stitches. This pattern is worked over multiple of 3 plus 10 stitches, and it's 2 row repeats. So if you would like to continue in your swatch or in your actual project, then you would go back to the first row and then to the second row. So you would repeat first and second row for the desired length of your project. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Again, if you did, please comment, like and share, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.